Hey guys, today we are making egg roll. This is a very popular Nigerian snack that tastes really good and I'm sure you're all gonna like it. So we are going to start by boiling some eggs. We need boiled eggs for this recipe. It's called egg roll for a reason. Add the eggs to some water in a pot and leave it to boil for 10 to 12 minutes. We need it to be properly cooked. Once it's properly boiled, we are going to add it to a cold water or room temperature water. You leave it to cool a bit, then you remove the shell and set the eggs aside. Now we are going to start with the dry ingredients. Add some flour into a clean bowl. I'll leave the measurements in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Please make sure you sieve the flour, because sometimes you may see things like this and we don't want particles in our dough. Now add some sugar, add nutmeg, add baking powder, add salt, and mix everything together properly. Now add butter or margarine and mix together with your hand. You can melt the butter if you want, but you don't necessarily have to melt it. Make sure your hand is clean, so mix it properly till it turns into crumbs like this. In another bowl, add some powdered milk into a small amount of water. You can also use evaporated milk if that's what you have. Mix together properly, then add one egg to the milk, then mix it together. Then add the milk and the egg mixture to the flour mix. Please ignore the color effects here, it was a mistake. So you mix everything together properly till it turns into a dough. Make sure you follow my measurements because you don't want to add too much water, okay? Once our dough is ready, sprinkle some flour on a clean flat surface. Roll the dough out a bit like this and cut into 6 pieces. Now you are going to spread it out with your hands. Add one boiled egg and wrap it around the egg to form a round shape. Just do it gently the way I'm doing in this video. Roll it with your palm like a ball to give you that round shape, and do the method for the rest. Then go ahead and arrange them in a bowl that is coated with flour. Pour some oil in a deep pot or use a deep fryer. Do not use a flat pan because we need to deep fry it. You can add some onions for extra flavor. Once the onions is brown like this, then the oil is hot enough to fry. Add the egg roll into the hot oil. We are frying 3 or 4 at a time. Don't fry everything at once if your pot is not that big. Now we are going to fry on medium heat. Don't fry on low heat. If you fry on low heat, it will soak up the oil and take time to fry. And don't also fry on high heat, because if you fry on high heat, it will get burned, making it not properly done inside. So just keep stirring and keep flipping over till it's golden brown. Do the same for the rest. Now our egg roll is ready, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very soft inside and crispy outside, and it tastes really good. It's also very easy to make. Just follow the recipe step by step and I'm sure you'll get it right. Serve this to your friends and family, and I'm very sure they will love it. Thank you for watching.